Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Bring vintage charm into your farmhouse, cottagecore decor ideas you'll love. Vintage cottage farmhouse decor is all about creating a home that feels soft, storied, and full of character. This style blends cozy countryside charm with time-worn beauty. Think delicate floral prints, gently distressed furniture, vintage artwork, and layers of texture that bring warmth to every room. It's romantic, rustic, and refreshingly down-to-earth. At its core, this look is about comfort and nostalgia. From chipped enamelware and antique mirrors to soft cotton slipcovers and weathered wooden accents, every piece tells a story. It's not about perfection, it's about personality. And when you combine farmhouse simplicity with vintage cottage details, you get a home that feels loved and lived in the best way. In today's video, we're sharing vintage cottage farmhouse decor ideas that are perfect for adding timeless charm to your space. You'll see how to layer cozy textiles, display collected treasures, repurpose thrifted finds, and blend florals with rustic textures for that perfectly imperfect finish. These ideas are easy to try and endlessly cozy, whether you're decorating a full room or just freshening up a small corner. So grab your tea or coffee, get cozy, and enjoy a little home inspiration to help you create a space that feels both relaxed and beautifully curated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss your weekly dose of decorating ideas right here on Home Go Time. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these vintage cottage farmhouse ideas gave you fresh inspiration to make your home feel warm, welcoming, and uniquely you. From antique details to layered linens, small changes can create a big sense of comfort. Until next time, keep blending charm, comfort, and creativity into every room you call home.